Hello learners, let us come to lesson 1, which is object oriented programming. Actually, when I used to do programming, I had a phobia. I always tried to find an excuse that I should not do it. I later on realized that whatever we don't know, we find it difficult. When you start understanding things, you start enjoying it and it becomes fun. Now, why did object-oriented program come into play for the first time? Structured programming had a number of disadvantages. The first one being you could not reuse the existing code. That means whenever you wanted to write a program, you would have to copy and paste multiple lines at multiple places. Because of that, it became very difficult to understand how your compiler was compiling the program, and it also became very difficult to find errors. In this, if any function wanted to access the variables, then those variables had to be made global. And managing so many global variables was a tough task. In short, writing, understanding and maintaining such big programs became very difficult. Now let us come to what are the examples of structured language programming languages. We have Pascal, C, Basic, Fortran, which were structured programming languages. Now what is an object? A concept which is used in object-oriented programming. It is a unit or a block wherein data and functions use those data is called an object. So it is a single entity. The features of object-oriented programming are encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. Let us understand what it means. Encapsulation means the data and the functions are hidden. Abstraction allows programmers to see something without knowing the details about it. Inheritance, we can create our own data types. Polymorphism allows one thing with different forms. We will study each of them in detail.